It's December the 30th. We had 2 days of freezing rain and turning back and forth to snow. You can see I'll put the camera up there, zoom it. You see the thickness of the freezing rain. It's a wonder I haven't got broken branches. Although there's places where power is all out. If I'd have had any leaves left on there, that'd be it. That poor little Rose. Look at Roscoe. What are you doing? It's got a big crust underneath, like it snowed on the thing. Here, see how it breaks? He doesn't like that. Look at this grass. And the Cadillac here, I put the blades up so they wouldn't freeze. Look at, they're so coated with ice. I mean, that was a freezing rain for at least 10 hours. Look at this tree here. This thing here. Look how thick it is. We sure need it to start melting. And you don't want to be under these trees when it does melt, because it just comes off in huge chunks. We had the same storm last year, but I lost a lot of branches, especially off the evergreens. Since then I had the tips cut off them so they could bend a little more without breaking. Right, Roscoe? Huh? Yeah? Yeah? You going to sleep? You rolling? You want to go to the park? Yeah? Oh yeah. Faking you, am I? Here's the cat. Can you believe the cat's in the snow? This thing must be a snow leopard. Look at her. Look at the kitty! Look at her! Playing in the snow. Having a ball. You ever see a cat playing in the snow like that? Hey kitty! What are you doing? Huh? Kitty, what are you doing? Oh boy, she's having fun. What are you doing? Where are you going? See, she's so light she can walk on top. Go get her! Go get her! Go get Kitty! Go get her! Go get her! Hurry up! Go get the kitty! Get her! Oh! Gotta climb up the tree. Yep. There they go with the snowblower. Coming? Oh, now she's eating the ice. That must be good. What's that? She's kind of scared of sounds. Let's go over here. Roscoe. Yeah. Let's go up to the road, Roscoe. Look how thick this is. See my fingers. Just amazing it's not broken. This thing usually is 3 feet above my head, and I can't even walk under it. It's so low, just from the weight. Oh, that cat having a ball. You having a ball? So, over and out from cold. It's -2, I think. Icy, snowy. New Year's Eve day in Chilliwack, British Columbia. You say bye, Roscoe? Say bye? Huh? And he looks sad. He wants to go to the park. Want to go to the park? Huh? Go to the park? Oh well, over and out.